Don't play with me! Give me the ice cream! Hi, Jay! Are you coming to play? The boys are in the secret lair. My brother has told me he has something to tell me. Well, it sure is silly. Well, you know what?
Get in here, you little bastard! I don't understand why I'm so different from others. Actually, I don't need so much to be so fat. Oh. Yes, I recently tried some of my father's special ice cream, but it's only once. Why am I so different? I don't want to be like that.
What will the ice cream maker want from me? Jay, help me out of here, please!
What's up, Jay? I have a rare piece that I found out there. Surely you know what to do with it. If you bring me something pretty, I'll give it to you. Super cool. Sure. I could do something with this.
Jay, help me out of the... What will the ice cream maker want from me? What will the ice
I know what you learn.
What will the ice cream maker want from me?
Looking for the chump clubby ones. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Oh, why are you crying, little boy?
You know why.
Yes, it's true. You and I are the same. That's right. The case is, I see you sitting there, so small, so helpless. Sometimes I forget that I was like that.
Yes, you have to remember the insults and the beatings and all those dirty...
Fatty, 2x4, couldn't do the kitchen door. Get out of my way, shove it, Blobby. Don't have a cow. Get bitten once.
Brody smash!
Shove it.
Brody smash!
Shove
Brody
it.
smash!
Drop dead, I'll go.
I hate them, I hate them, I hate them!
No, now, be patient. Dedicate yourself to work hard and save as much money as you can and get out of that school from hell. It's doing you no good, boy. Do not come down. Eventually, you will get ahead. I promise.
I asked my father for help.
No, he will not listen to you. He hides many secrets that you will have to discover later. You'll see. You will become an ice cream maker as good as him. Mark my words, son. You will discover how to take revenge on them all. Oh, an unexpected help will come to you. A letter from your mother, in which she will finally tell you something important. So pay attention, kid. You're gonna be just fine.
Jay, help me out of here,
Going to
please!
kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find kids and we're gonna make...
What will the ice cream... No, I can't! If I jump with the fan running, I will hurt myself!
Charlie, that's Liz, your sister. Yes, it's her. How did it get in there? I don't understand how it could happen. Wait, Liz! Hey! Screw this.